Hey guys, have you been searching for a high-quality mirrorless digital camera that can deliver professional-grade images and videos, and actually wonder if something like the Fujifilm X-H2 can live up to its promises? I know I was, and I'm excited to share my experience with you today. If you're looking to upgrade your camera or just want to check out the latest tech, the Fujifilm X-H2 mirrorless digital camera XF16-80mm lens kit is definitely worth considering. And link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. I've been playing around with this camera for a while now, and I have to say, the image quality is top-notch, thanks to its 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, which allows for some really detailed shots, and it's been great for capturing landscapes, portraits, and everything in between. For example, I used it to take some photos of my family during a trip to the park, and the level of detail and color accuracy was impressive. The X-H2 also uses its native 8K video resolution to give filmmakers some amazing footage, and I've been experimenting with it for some short film projects, and the results have been really impressive. Plus, with the improved in-body image stabilization, you can get some really smooth shots even when you're moving around, which is perfect for capturing moments like a child's birthday party or a wedding. One of the other features that I've been enjoying is the Pixel Shift Multi-Shot, which allows you to take multiple shots and combine them for some incredible detail, and it's been great for capturing still-life photography or product photography. For instance, I used it to take some photos of a friend's jewelry collection, and the level of detail was amazing. The camera also has a broad range of wired and wireless options for connecting to other devices, which makes it easy to transfer your files or control the camera remotely, and it's been great for shooting in the studio or on location. Additionally, the XF16-80mm lens that comes with the kit is really versatile, and it's been great for everything from wide-angle shots to portraits. So, what are the pros and cons of this camera? Well, I think one of the biggest pros is the image quality. It's just fantastic, and the 8K video resolution is a huge plus for filmmakers. Another pro is the improved in-body image stabilization. It's so much smoother than my old camera. One thing to consider, though, is that the camera can be a bit bulky, especially with the lens attached, so it's not the most portable option out there. And, of course, the price is a bit steep, but I think it's worth it for the quality you're getting. Overall, I'm really happy with the Fujifilm X-H2, and I think it's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their camera or start shooting with a high-quality mirrorless digital camera. If you're interested in checking it out, the link is in the description below, so be sure to click that and check the latest price on Amazon, and thanks for watching.